So the question is this $80 lip better than this $100 lip? Well, technically it's a splitter, but we're treating it as a lip. Here, let me show you guys what it looks like. Don't throw out the bag because hardware is on the bag. This is the lip. You see, it sits right under the bumper. Even has like the little bumper cut out, and it's a whole lot thicker. So you should be able to see it from farther away, and it makes the car look a little bit lower. So that's also a plus. Don't mind the lawnmowers in the background, but this is gonna be a super simple install. It's literally just a bunch of screws that you're gonna have to screw into your bumper. But before we even get started, welcome back, guys. Hi, how you guys doing? Missed you guys. It's been a little bit of a long time, but there's a lot of things that I'm doing behind the scene that will come to light later on. But without wasting time, let's get this install going because we are gonna go fishing right after this. Here's a quick before and another before. We finally got it off. So many freaking bolts, but they're off. But look who swung by. Wow. But now we got to put on this beautiful lip, which is right here, and the hardware is right there. Like I said, it was on the bag. So do not throw away your bag because you're gonna lose your hardware. So now we're just gonna mock it up. Calvin hopefully is gonna hold it up for me real quick, just so I could get a look at it, see what it looks like. Huh? Free labor, man. That's why you're Batman. I'm Batman. A little comparison. The old one is underneath. The new one is on top. Look at the difference in thickness. Look at that. Thicker, and this is literally just like a piece of aluminum. But
well, that's a splitter. That's a
yeah.
lip.
Well, I know it's a splitter, but I only had a splitter. I didn't have a lip on, technically. So now, I mean, hey, we might throw both of them on. You know what I mean?
They don't look as bad.
They don't look too crazy, but nah, it's gonna be too much. Then I can't even go up my own driveway without ripping my front bumper off. Watch this dude bust his ass, bro.
Hey, yo.
Dude said OG skater. Oh my God.
I got Crocs on.
Yo, Crocs? If you ain't crocking, you ain't rocking, bro. But watch this.
Got your tips.
Watch this. Let's go outside. Yep. Yo, peep. Chat, peep. Chee! Do a heel flip. Damn, I need to put these in sports mode. But oh, almost landed it. I don't know what the heck that is. A laser flip? I don't remember. Definitely not a laser flip.
It's like
a pop shove it? No, that's not pop shove it.
pop shove is this shit.
Damn, I've been out the skate game for a minute. That's a nothing.
300 pounds of skateboard about to break.
All right, don't break it now. Come on.
Hey, yo.
Hey, you. It was close.
A minute, bro. Oh my God.
Oh, there goes his shin.
Jeez.
Back to our regular scheduled programming. Damn, having asthma really sucks. Woo!
I don't know how that feels like, but I think that's bad.
Hey, yo, boys. When we bag this car, yo, I'm almost gonna have offended the lip. Look at that. Damn, things on the floor, boys, almost. All right, we gotta go to Home Depot real quick because I need a battery for my drill. So you gotta drill in the screws to the lip, and I tried to do it by hand. It's not working, Mr. George. No trabaja, wey. And just like that, we are officially done. Look at that. The lip is on. It's very subtle, but it looks very, very good in my opinion. Like, look. See? It's very subtle. Very, very subtle. Follows the car's natural body lines. Look at that. And it matches the side skirts. But at the end of the day, we still need to get the 2017 front end, because the 2017 front end compared to the 2013 front end is beautiful. Here it is, boys. Yeah. This lip looks a whole lot better It makes the front bumper look a whole lot more aggressive. Yeah, it's definitely worth the change. All right, like I said, boys, we're going fishing. Look at this beautiful spot. Got myself some chili. Don't mind why I got chili, all right? Mind your business. I'm hungry. Nice little car vlog and a little bit of fishing right after we're done, boys. Come on now. This dude Calvin think he's gonna catch something with his little lure. He think he's gonna get a big old bass. He ain't getting nothing, look at that. He ain't getting jack jibbity jit. Look at that. Look at the little bluggy. Oh yeah. Big old bass, boy.
That's a nice bass.
Big old bass.
Now that's how you do it.
Sheesh. This dude.
That wasn't me. He did that.
Calvin caught a bass, a Baja bass, and I caught a freaking turtle. This little guy. I got the hook out. I'm sorry, dude. My boy, you bet it, not me. But he's a nice color. Look at him. But let's leave him back in here. There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. Go. Go, buddy. Damn. Yeah, you better thumb that, boy. Freaking Baja bass. I cannot wait till we get a V8 in this BRZ, man. I love how Mike's car sounds. Quickly just went to the car wash because tomorrow, which is Saturday, is my cousin's baby shower. So I just wanted to clean up the whip real quick. But there's a super clean Integra right there. Look at that. Clean, clean, clean. My man got the moving wing like how we're going to get it too. Full exhaust. Stupid clean. Alright, so this was an unexpected turn that I completely forgot about. I'm just coming back from my little cousin's baby shower. Bro, peep the fit, peep the fit. Peep, oh, shit. Alright, and then we got Carlos over here with a little 550. Sheesh. That's a little V8. Anyways, we have a bike that we're gonna be copping off Carlos. Watch, boys. We're gonna have too much fun with this bike. Here it is. 84cc of goodness. This is gonna be the new bike for now until we get to like a H2 or some crazy crap like that. Anyways, we gotta change the spark plug, which is literally under the seat right here. That's the only thing, hopefully, that's wrong with the bike because it didn't want to turn over because of that. And we're assuming it's definitely the spark plug because that thing was completely soaked. Old one, look at it, completely fouled out. If it's gonna focus, look at that, nasty. And this is the new one. See the difference? Yeah. Let's go. So the bike looks a little crazy because we ran into a tiny little bit of a problem, which was I couldn't fit the socket on there to actually turn the spark plug. That's the new spark plug in already. So we had to take everything apart and then take off the gas tank and be able to access the spark plug. But we're good to go now. So I'm just gonna put everything back and then hopefully it starts right away. Here goes nothing. Alright, we got it running. We got it running, boys. Got to crank a VTEC in this thing.